Gondor egg grading machine. Arrange eggs neatly. Accurately measure the parameters of eggs. Intelligent optical inspection and sorting. Pick out unqualified eggs. Flexibly adjust the grading range to reasonably grade different kinds of eggs. Divide the eggs into 5 different levels. Put the eggs to be sorted. Grading by weighing system. Sorted eggs go into different areas. Graded products are neat. Intelligent grading. Adapt to multiple eggs. Applicable products. Applicable scenarios. The product processing of egg grading. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision,